But this is our collapsible diffuser. I think my picture perceives it in the wrong way. It's not actually larger than the umbrella one, but we'll go with the flow. Let's just do that. So this is really good for the portable flashes. So they all have these special clips which attach them. So you can attach it to that bit, and it's 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 so cool. So inside, just opposite this, there is a bar which you need to put up so then it doesn't fall down, and you can just put the flash inside. I do think that this is really good, as I will be wanting to go out with the camera and using the flash, and by this I can get those good angles with the lights and everything. However, it's if it's already in quite a light place, it may disturb the light levels, which isn't what I want really. But I'm up for giving this one a go, as I know what it has the potential to do, and hopefully I can get it to get some really good photos.